everyone? Welcome to episode, I think this is my third episode in Arizona. Now, this video is gonna be a little hectic. It's gonna be a bunch of random stuff throughout the week because I just haven't had much time for vlogging lately because I've been reading. This book is really good. So I read his other book, Robert Kiyosaki. He has a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I read that one and then I decided to read this book. I read this book in about 2 days. It was really good. I recommend this one to any of you guys. Anyone should read this book. I learned so much from that. So these books have gotten really interesting and I've been sucked into reading and sucked into trying to learn Spanish. I'm taking these classes on SKILLSHARE. This class is amazing. It's really good and it's easy to pick up on this too. If you would like to get a subscription to SKILLSHARE, you can go click on the link below and you'll see a little discount for, I'm not sure what it is. It's probably like a month free or something, or 2 months free if you use my code down there. So I've been caught up with learning Spanish and reading a ton of books, and I'm also out of breath again. Probably because I'm out of shape. I haven't really been to the gym in a while. So remember the last video I said if you guys give me 15 likes then I'll show you what's underneath that thing. So I wanted to show you guys what was underneath that blanket, but we moved it into the garage because we didn't like it. So I'm gonna show you guys this clip right now. Come here, Tommy, where are you? Tommy, show them, do the honors and show them what is beneath this thing right here.
No, they can't see that.
No, I said 15 likes.
I don't think.
15 likes and they got to see what this is, so I have to follow through with my promise.
It's a CPR dummy.
Yeah, Michael goes on runs and finds these weird things and he found these on his run. All right, and there's another one. Let's see. Oh, there's the baby. That looks creepy. The way, but that was what was under here.
Naked too, but
yeah, he has a shirt. They put a shirt on him, gave him some decency. Yeah. As I promised that I was gonna show you what was under there, so there you go. Oh yeah, so it is a little bit random, I know, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did the last weekend, the weekend that just passed, with my dad and my brother. We went to Queens Valley, it's this area near Apache Junction, and we went shooting. So I'm gonna roll the clip. It's a little cinematic. Hope you guys enjoy.
White snow, red sky, reach out for a soul so high. Blue eyes, fake cry, beware of the fox tonight. Cold feet, dark rain, my blood in your frozen veins. Dream high, no pain, run fast in the broken chains.
So this couch right here that I'm sitting on, look at it. It's kind of cool, isn't it? It looks good. It looks pretty decent. Pretty sure this is called a love seat. We found this. Fun tip. If you want to have a cool side hustle, one of the things that I learned with these books is you got to find ways to make money even when you're not working. And those are side hustles, side gigs. Since last night was recycle night, we went out last night and we started looking through people's recycled stuff because they just set it outside their house and they leave it for people to take or they're recycled the following day. So we went last night to get all of it while it was still out there. Me and Michael found this couch right here. We talked to the owners, we're like, hey, can we take it? They're like, sure, it's free, we're throwing it out. So we got a free couch. And then I found this coffee maker thing too in another person's yard. We went driving around the neighborhood, found some really good stuff. So on recycle day, if you want to make some money, go walk around your neighborhood and look at people's recycle bins if they leave out good stuff that you can take and then sell. I got an offer on OfferUp. I posted it on this application where it's pretty much like Craigslist. If you don't know what OfferUp is, it's like Craigslist, but it's cooler than that. And we also found this controller with no batteries. So I'm selling this controller to someone today at 4 p.m. for like 15 bucks, not even that much. This is a free $15. Me and Michael are splitting half the profit with all the stuff that we find. So 7 bucks for me. And then this couch, I put this couch up for about $50 on OfferUp, but I got offered 30. So I'm gonna try to counter offer that with 40 bucks. So me and Michael can make $20 profit each. I'll keep you guys updated on this couch right here, because this couch isn't that bad. It's really comfortable actually. We just had to carry it down the road. It was a little heavy, probably 15 minutes of labor for 20 bucks. If we can manage to sell this thing for 40, that's pretty good. Now that's one of the little things that I learned from the books that I was reading. So if you want me to teach you guys some little side gigs and side hustles that you can do to make some more money on the side, or just to save your money, then let me know and I can make some videos on that, because that book was so informative. And if you don't have time to read it, I can pretty much regurgitate it out to you, because I took notes on the book, and I can do like little classes if you'd like that. Just let me know in the comments down below if you would like to learn any like financial stuff that I learned from this book. All right, fast forward to a couple days later. I don't even know what day it is, but you can tell my hair is growing out a little bit. We didn't end up selling the couch. We actually cleaned up, there's Tommy again. We did clean up the living room area, so this is what it looks like. Very clean, looks good. And look, have you guys noticed there's no refrigerator right here? The person that was supposed to buy the controller, they never got back to me, but that's like a thing with OfferUp. People don't respond sometimes, so you just gotta wait for the next buyer. And someone came and picked up the fridge. It wasn't working, so he said that he knew someone who could fix it. And he picked it up and bought it from me this morning. But look, Tommy and I wanna share this with you. It is beautiful outside right now.
Look over here.
Yeah, show us the rainbow. Where's that double rainbow? Oh my god, there's an actual rainbow. I have not seen one in forever. You guys, this is beautiful. I have not seen many in Houston. If you're from Houston, comment down below. Let me know if you've seen any rainbows, but I have not seen a rainbow like this in a long time. If you're still watching this video, I really appreciate you. It means a lot to me that you're still watching me and interested in my life. I'm trying to help you guys out, and I just want to know what kind of content you guys want me to teach you or show you, or if you want me to show you more stuff in Arizona. Like, look at these skies. It's beautiful. Look at that. You can see the rain cloud right here where it's all raining, and then you can see, this is just insane. It's so cool. We got the double rainbow over there. Should we go follow the rainbow to the end? 15 likes and me and Tommy, the next rainbow, we will drive to the end of it. Right, Tommy? I don't know where he went. He went inside somewhere. Last thing, if you're still watching this right now, I would like to know something from you. I want to know if I should continue posting just weekly, or if you want me to go on a 30-day video streak, I guess. Let me know down in the comments if I should really post videos once a day for the next 30 days, and I will do that for you guys, but I have to get some confirmation down there. I appreciate you guys. You mean a lot to me. I keep on saying that, but I just want you to know that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to learn something from it. And this lighting is amazing. It's golden hour. I should have taken some pictures. Maybe I can get Tommy some Tinder pictures. We were talking about that, how he needs Tinder pictures. But thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.